Hi guys, it's Isaiah here from Peter Vardy MINI. I'm one of the sales advisors, and if you come with me, I'll talk you through some of our new and approved used offers. Here at Peter Vardy MINI, we've got over 80 approved used cars starting from 4990. All cars come with a standard 12 months warranty, 12 months MOT and 12 months breakdown and roadside assistance cover. With low APR rates from 5.9% APR, come on down and see what we've got. Now that you've seen our approved used stock, we'll go inside and see John, who'll tell you a little bit more about our new car offers.
So with our new cars, we have some amazing offers across the range. With as little as 3.9% APR, we even have 0% finance available with a minimum deposit. So with a mixture of stock availability across the range for immediate delivery, including this gorgeous John Cooper Works convertible with comfort and navigation, there's never been a better time to start your mini adventure at Peter Vardy.
To book an appointment, give us a call on the number below.
And we look forward to seeing you soon.